Maruni Tire Patch MR is a tire repair material for all kinds of radial tires and for many sizes of puncture holes, with patches available in a variety of sizes. The patch is constructed of strong nylon codes and high-quality rubber. If the angle of the puncture hole is less than 20 degrees, plug patches are available. We will now demonstrate the procedures for making repairs with Tire Patch MR and stem. First, remove foreign objects from the tire. Use the chart to decide on the sizes of the patch and carbide cutter you will use according to the size of the puncture. Attach a carbide cutter to a 500 RPM slow-speed air drill and adjust a puncture flaw from the inside and outside, 2 times each. Please apply Super Valcarn G or Super Valcarn G CFC Free into the puncture flaw. Remove stem's protection film. Attach a pulling wire to the stem that fits the size of the hole. Apply Super Valcarn G or Super Valcarn G CFC Free to the entire stem. Do not let the Super Valcarn G or Super Valcarn G CFC Free dry in order to make it easier to insert the stem into the tire. Put the pulling wire through the hole from the inside and pull it from the tread side to drive the stem into the hole. Stop pulling it once the green part appears from the tread side. Cut off the stem that protrudes from the inside of the tire. Next, use marking chalk to mark cross lines at the center of the puncture. Center the patch over the puncture and outline the area a little larger than the patch. Spray liquid buffer on the inside surface of the tire and remove the silicone and dirt inside of the tire with a scraper. Using a cup-shaped rasp, buff the inner liner. When buffing, be careful not to expose the tire cord. After you have finished buffing, use a vacuum to remove the buffing dust. Do not blow the dust away with air. Coat the surface of the buffed area on the tire with Super Valcarn G or Super Valcarn G CFC Free and dry it well. Apply the patch so that the puncture flaw will be located in the center of it. Be careful not to touch the adhesive surface. Strongly press the patch with the roller moving from the center towards the outside. Coat portions that have been overbuffed with C-Liner or C-Liner CFC Free to prevent minute air leaks. Cut the stem on the outside of the tire so that there is still about 3 millimeters protruding. Put the tire back onto the wheel and allow inflation until it reaches the proper air pressure, and leave it for 3 to 5 hours. For bias tire repair, use Tire Patch MB and Tire Patch MU is available for both radial and bias tires.